This is part 3 of Can't Stop the Throb dance tutorial here for you at Vibe House Pilates in Crown Point, Indiana. So, next move that we're gonna go into, remember we were here in part 2, the bop, bop. From here, we're going to basically shift our whole body. So where our left foot was, we're gonna do a whole like 180, but still having our face forward. But from here, pop, pop, we're going to go 1, and point. We're going to bring it down. That for number 2. Number 3, we're going to hand out. And number 4, point with both hands, okay? So from here, we're going to go point, cross, hand, 2 points. So that is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here, once again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, moving right along, we're gonna go into the next part, so 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna go kind of like our hands riding like this, like handlebars for a bike. We're going to go down on our right. We're going to kind of face right with our knees. So we're going to kind of go down 5 and 6, out and 7, up and 8. So back out, so 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now we're going to bring our thumbs and pinkies out, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so our elbow is going to be going downward when we start. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, from that point, we're going to go 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Moving right along, okay? We are going to go into this roll motion, okay? Just like this. But before we do that, I'm just going to show you the simple steps into that. So that's just going to be right, left, left, right. And notice when I went down, I stepped with the right. When I hit the left leg, I kind of go down a little bit. Then the left leg back, and back up. So what we're going to do is, once again, starting with the right foot, we're going to spin it down. Now spin it back. We're going to go back up and we're going to point to the sky. Okay? So that's going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. All right, let's put it all together. Starting from here, from part 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. There we go. Now, part 3 was a little challenging. I know there's a little bit more stuff going on in that one, but I promise part 4 will be a little bit easier for you, okay? So with that said, stay tuned for part 4.